Let's dive into the video. Make sure to subscribe for more reviews. You can find further details about the product in the description below. Now, without further ado, let's get started. In the realm of pneumatic prowess, the DeWalt 20 volts max tire inflator stands as a beacon of innovation and practicality. Tailored for the modern adventurer, this portable tire inflator is not merely a gadget but an indispensable tool for various scenarios, from roadside emergencies to impromptu camping trips. Picture this. You find yourself in the middle of nowhere with a flat tire, a situation where this DeWalt 20 volts max truly shines. Its lightweight and transportable compressor unit fits snugly in your car boot, ready to spring into action when needed. With just a few button presses, this handy tool re-inflates a standard-size car tire in a matter of minutes, restoring you to the road with minimal downtime. What sets it apart is the precision it offers. Specify your desired target tire pressure, hit the buttons, and watch as the compressor efficiently shuts off automatically. The built-in LED light, an onboard lead work light, becomes a savior when working in the dark, providing clarity with a decent length of power cable that seamlessly connects to your car's 12-volt power system. To add to its allure, an accessory kit is included, ensuring you're well equipped for any pumping up endeavor. It's not just about fixing flats, it's about having control and convenience at your fingertips, making the DeWalt 20 volts max tire inflator a quintessential companion for the road ahead in 2023. Imagine this. You're on a beach trip with your family. Suddenly, you notice the tire of your car is flat. You reach for your Makita DP1180ZX18V LXT lithium-ion cordless inflator, a best air compressor of 2023. It's compact, with a power cord that connects to your car's 12-volt battery supply. You attach the air hose to the target valve of the flat tire. One of the best air compressors of 2023 is the Makita DP1180ZX18V LXT lithium-ion cordless inflator. It's versatile, capable of inflating everything from light truck tires to bicycle tires. The LED light button illuminates the area, and the LED light provides more visibility. You press the power button, and the compressor hums to life. The pressure gauge on the display is far more accurate than old-fashioned analog gauges. Now you have a tire inflator in your car kit. The tire inflator is perfect for bike tires and sports balls. Remember, maintaining the right air pressure in your tires is crucial for your safety. With the Makita DP1180ZX18 volts, you'll be prepared for any situation. Stay tuned for more details on these amazing devices. When it comes to the best air compressors, the smittybuilt 5.65 CFM air compressor stands out as a top choice. This handy tool can be very helpful, especially when you need to fill up the air in your car's inflated tire. It's designed to work with your car's 12-volt power system, making it an easy-to-use gadget for any car owner. The smittybuilt 5.65 CFM air compressor is a transportable compressor unit designed for outer use. With just a few button presses, you can set your desired target air pressure, and the compressor will do the rest. It's lightweight and comes with a handy little accessory kit, making it a breeze to transport and use. One of the standout features of this compressor is its onboard LED light, which is incredibly useful when working in the darker areas. Whether you're on the roadside or in your garage, smittybuilt air compressor can save your skin. The LED light illuminates your workspace. Filling a standard-size car tire takes just a few minutes with the smittybuilt 5.65 CFM air compressor. Once the specific tire pressure is reached, the compressor shuts off automatically, preventing overinflation. This feature, coupled with the decent length of power cable, makes it an ideal tool for re-inflating a flat tire. In conclusion, the smittybuilt 5.65 CFM air compressor is a reliable, easy-to-use, and efficient tool that every car owner should have. Its features and performance truly make it one of the best air compressors available today. Cordless tire inflator air compressor for Makita 18 volts battery. The cordless tire inflator air compressor for Makita 18 volts battery. This compact and lightweight device, weighing just 1.7 pounds, is designed with a small 12 volts motor that's perfect for lightweight inflation jobs. Despite its compact design, it can inflate a car tire in just few minutes. The Makita 18 volts mount air pump is a good choice. It's equipped with an easy-to-read digital gauge, replacing the traditional gauge, and an LCD screen for pressure display. The maximum pressure it can reach is 1100 kPa, which is quite impressive for such a small air compressor. Makita 18 volts compressor comes with a variety of tapered adapter, valve extender, inflation needles, making them versatile for inflating the car tires, from consumer vehicle tires to small commercial vehicles. They even come with a carrying case for easy transport. This compressor might not provide enough pressure for commercial vehicles that require more than the standard pressure, but don't let these minor drawbacks deter you. These air compressors are still among the best in the market, offering the best features for inflating sports equipment, inflating tires, and other inflation needs. Their improvements over the years have made them more efficient and user-friendly. So, whether you're looking for a corded 12-volt DC or cordless battery-operated air compressor, Makita 18 volts is worth considering. The LED light allows you to work in the dark. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on the best air compressors in the market. The journey has just begun, and there's so much more to explore. The Kensun AC/DC digital tire inflator for car. When it comes to finding the best air compressors for your needs, versatility is key. Picture this: a compact device with both 110-volt AC and 12-volt DC dual power supply options, ensuring you're covered whether you're at home or on the road. The Kensun inflator, a game changer in the world of air compressors. Imagine the peace of mind as you embark on a journey, knowing that your vehicle's tires are maintained at the optimal pressure level for maximum durability, fuel efficiency, and safety. The Kensun inflator caters to a range of tire sizes, from 215 by 60R16 to 195 by 60R14. What sets the Kensun EHR Comp A58A inflator apart is its multi-purpose functionality. Beyond tires, it seamlessly handles inflatable pool toys with fast inflation capabilities. The corded tire inflator unit conveniently plugs into your car's power outlet, making it an essential part of your toolkit for every road trip. It's not just about inflating tires, it's about enhancing your overall driving experience with a reliable and efficient tool that adapts to your needs. The Kensun AC/DC digital tire inflator for car truly embodies the essence of the best air compressors in the market today. The auto shutoff function adds a layer of convenience, preventing overinflating and optimizing the inflation process for various applications, including car tires, small truck tires, bicycle tires, and even sports balls. The ergonomic design makes it a breeze to use, and the LED lighting enhances visibility, especially during those late-night road trips.